Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk spark plugs used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off. Pull up the handbrake. Pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. You should now be able to see the location of the spark plugs. We recommend changing the spark plugs one by one. Switch off the power to the coils. To do this, press on the plastic tab in a way that frees the spur that stops the terminal from coming out. Using a socket wrench and a 10mm socket, remove the nut that holds in the coils. You can now carefully remove the coil, making small lateral back and forward movements. Tip: we recommend using a thin plastic tube taped to the end of a hoover bit to properly clean around the spark plugs. Using a socket wrench, a gimbal, a small extender and a 16mm spark plug socket, loosen the plug then finish unscrewing it by hand. Remove the spark plug. You can use a flexible magnetic extender to help.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the new spark plug, put the new plug in place. Always start screwing by hand. Then finish by fixing it in place with a socket wrench. There's several techniques for tightening spark plugs. You can use a torque wrench and employ the torque setting recommended by the manufacturer, or you can use an angular torque gauge to respect the recommended angle. We strongly recommend watching our tutorial how to tighten spark plugs before carrying out this step. Put the coil back, pushing it in as far as possible. You should hear a small click as it goes in. You can then screw the nut that holds the coil back in with a socket wrench. Reconnect the coil. You can now repeat the same process on the other spark plugs. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.